Everyone, welcome back to Project of the Week. This week, I want to focus on Deno. So let's take a look. Okay, so first thing I noticed is there's minimal bot PR activity as well as just minimal any repo activity as well. So maybe Deno is focused on a more human-centered approach. They have perfect review coverage here, the 100% review merge rate, as well as the 100% approval rate. So the team is definitely prioritizing good quality. Their review turnaround time is about 3.4 hours. And I believe, yes, 82% of their PRs are reviewed within 24 hours. So that team, like I mentioned, is clearly prioritizing both quality as well as speed. And yeah, overall median wait time is about 4.5 hours, which is incredibly fast for such a huge project like this. But I also was curious to know what it was like against one of its top competitors, which would be Node.js. So let's look at that. As well as Node. It's already set up for me. Okay, first thing I noticed, their contributor distribution is a little bit different. They have higher community PRs as well as higher bot PRs in comparison to Deno, but Deno's core team is a little bit more active. So they're taking different approaches to the way that they're distributing them. Both have very strong review merge coverage and approval rates. Same distribution for review turnaround times as well as median approval times. This is interesting. So Deno actually takes about 15.7 hours for that median merge time, whereas Node takes a little bit longer, about 3 days. That's a huge difference. And I'm also curious to compare it to one of its other competitors, Bun. Okay, similar contributor distribution, similar bot activity, but it's interesting here, only 47% of PRs actually get merged with review, which is very, very interesting. And they are a lot faster with their turnaround time. So Bun takes about 30 minutes with those lightning fast reviews, whereas Deno takes a little bit longer. It's sort of like Bun can prioritize speed while Deno tries to balance both speed and quality. Yeah, same with median and approval time. But it's really cool to see how all three projects, kind of approach these different PR workflows. Node has been around for the longest and have that established market presence, and then Deno is more focused on security and developer experience, and Bun probably optimizes the most for speed. But each have very different collaboration insights. It's very interesting to see. But that's a wrap for this week. Comment below if you want to see any specific projects analyzed, and see you next week then. Bye.